Hello students, this is item 2 from Joshua Bloch's book Effective Java. Consider a builder when faced with many constructor parameters. So as you may be aware, I already made a video on the builder pattern. In that video I mentioned that the builder pattern is well suited for class hierarchies. So in this video I'm just going to cover that part of the section of the book where an example showing how to use this pattern with class hierarchies. That's basically what I'm going to cover in this video. So in order to accomplish this, to be able to use this pattern for class hierarchies, you must do three things. One, you need to use parallel hierarchies of builders. Each one of these builders has to be nested in the corresponding class. And so you will have a base class that is an abstract class that contains abstract builders with some concrete methods, and you will have concrete builders that you have already seen. If you went to my previous video, you will see how those are built. Also, abstract classes must contain an abstract self function in order to force each subclass builder to return itself. So this is a very important key for this pattern to work in class hierarchies. You must use PECS, which is producer extends and consumer super. In this case, the generic wildcards are used to recursively call the different types of parameters in the abstract builder. So you be able to chain calls from the base builder class and methods on the concrete builder classes interchangeably. So you should be able to link these two things together. And so the use of this recursive parameter in conjunction with the abstract self method is known as a simulator self-type idiom. And this is necessary because Java, according to the information from Dr. Bloch, is that Java lacks a self-type. And so this is basically a workaround that will allow method chaining to work properly with subclasses. So in this illustrated example, you will see how this base PECS class work with subclasses and allow its builders to call the add toppings function from the base builder class, as well as methods from the concrete builders without the need of casting. So I'm going to just show you the implementation of class hierarchies using the builder pattern. So first, there is the base class. So in this class is this abstract class named Pizza that has an abstract builder, and the abstract builder has a concrete add toppings method. And as you remember, on the setter methods of the builder, it returns an instance of itself. Now here you see how it's not builder, it's just T. And you see here on the class declaration over here that it uses this wildcard T extend builder T. And so these two things are key so that these instances of builder are treated the same. So the base builder and the extenders will work interchangeably. So I have provided the two examples from the book, which is one is a New York pizza and the other one is a calzone, which is kind of like a pizza. And you see how this is nowhere different than my other examples provided in my builder pattern video. It just looks like a regular pollo. In this case, the New York pizza is extending pizza, and it has an enumeration of different sizes, and then has a static builder that basically does the building of the pizza. So it returns a new instance of New York pizza when it's done, passes itself, and the calzone does the same. It has a builder that has a boolean about having sauce inside, and when you actually build it, you set this to true and returns itself. Here's the build method that returns an instance of calzone. And so you will see how these two different things, both extending pizza, are able to use this mechanism in conjunction with the implementation of self, that you can see that the interpretation for each one is the same, but obviously this builder and this builder are different types of builder, because this is the builder of the New York pizza, this is the builder of calzone. Each return itself, but by using this recursive methodology, it is able to link these calls to the add toppings as well as its own build. And you can see the same thing here, where a calzone, you can add toppings to it, just like you can to a pizza. You call the sauce inside if you want sauce inside, and then you call the build, and each one returns an instance. When I run this class, you see over here it's terminated, there's no error, so this actually works. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoy making the video for you. So with that, I conclude this video. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe and provide comments. I will really appreciate if you share your thoughts on the contents of this video and all the other videos that I made, so that I can create better material for you in the future. So with that, thank you so much. Have a good day.